Today in Mathematics 2 class 10 we see about the Pythagoras theorem. In previous chapters we see about the similarity in two triangles. Here is also we start about from the similarities. That is, first is the similarity in right angle triangle. Similarity in right angle triangle. Previous period we see the similarity in triangles. Here is especially similarity in right angle triangles. What is that similarity in right angle triangles? If we draw the altitude from vertex to the hypotenuse, then the two triangle is formed. That two triangles are similar to the original triangle and similar to each other also. Means if altitudes drawn from vertex to hypotenuse, then the two triangles are formed. Two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and with each other also. That means from that we draw the right angle triangle. If that is the triangle ABC is the right angle triangle, that is given part is in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree because that is right angle. Here we draw the perpendicular BD on the hypotenuse AC. That is the segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC and A dash D dash C, means the point D is in between the A and C on the hypotenuse AC. Now to prove with that altitudes are perpendicular from vertex to the hypotenuse, there are these two right angle triangles are also formed, ADB and triangle BDC. These two right angle triangles are formed. That two triangles is similar to the original triangle ABC as well as they are similar to with each other. Means first proof is triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Second proof, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. And third proof is these two triangles, that is the triangle ADB is also similar to triangle BDC. How we prove that? To prove that, we use the similarities. Previous chapter we studied the test of the similarities, how we prove the two triangles are similar. For that, the first proof. In that first proof, we prove that triangle ADB and ABC are similar. Here is the correspondence of vertices is the most important. If the correspondence is disturbed, then the two triangles are, we can't prove the similar. Minimum one correspondence of the vertices, the two triangles are similar. Here, first, in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, to prove that we require, there are the test, angle test, side test, side test. For that here angle test we used. In these two triangles, the two corresponding angles, which two corresponding angles are congruent or we see, In triangle ADB and ABC, the angle A is the common angle. Therefore, we can write the angle A is a congruent with angle A. Reason is the common angle. Second is in triangle ADB, angle ADB is 90 degree because the BD is a perpendicular to AC, and ABC angle B is the 90 degree, that is the given. Therefore, here angle ADB, in triangle ADB, angle ADB is a congruent with angle ABC. That is the given part. In that given part, BD is perpendicular to AC, that means the ADB is the 90 degree and ABC is also the 90 degree. The two angles of one triangle is congruent with the corresponding two angles of another triangle. Therefore, by angle test, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, here is the triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. That is equation number 1. Now, second proof. Here is first proof is proved. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. Now, second, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Here in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. In right angle triangle, there are the simplest test, that is the angle test, which we required to prove that two triangles are similar. In triangle BDC and ABC, here is the angle C is the common angle. Before that, here is the angle BDC is a congruent with angle ABC, that is also the given are each of 90 degree. Given are each of 90 degree. And angle C is similar to angle C. Hence, by AAA test, here is AAA test of similarity. Here is also the triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. That is equation number 2, and which is from by the AAA test or angle test of similarity. These two triangles are similar. Now, from that is the third proof. Triangle ADB is similar to BDC. We see the properties of similarity, which is that reflexivity. Every triangle is similar to itself. Second property is symmetry. If first triangle is similar to second, then second is also similar to first. And third property is transitivity. Transitivity means first triangle is similar to second, second is similar to third, then first is also similar to third. Therefore, by the property of transitivity from first and second, from equation first and second, ADB is similar to ABC, BDC is similar to ABC, first triangle is similar to second, and second triangle is similar to third. Therefore, first is also the similar to third. Hence, the triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. From 1 and 2 are by property of transitivity. Property of transitivity. That is the similarity in right angle triangle. If we draw the perpendicular or altitudes from vertex to the hypotenuse, then these two triangles are similar to original triangle as well as similar to with each other. After that, there are the next theorem which is connecting to that similar theorem. The same proof are required also. In that similar proof, that is the geometric mean theorem. What is the geometric mean theorem? In that geometric mean, in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segments to the hypotenuse, from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. And इसमें ये segment BD है, ये segment BD, ये जो segment है perpendicular segment from vertex to the hypotenuse is the geometric mean geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Here is hypotenuse AC. Through the point D, the hypotenuse AC is divided into part the AD and DC. दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड हो गया है. तो ये दो सेगमेंट्स का एडी और डीसी का ये बीडी ये ज्योमेट्रिक मीन है. व्हाट इज मीन बाय ज्योमेट्रिक मीन? आपने कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन में देखे ज्योमेट्रिक मीन. दैट फोर्थ इज द ज्योमेट्रिक मीन मीन्स द फोर्थ ज्योमेट्रिक मीन थ्योरम, दैट इज बीडी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एडी इंटू डीसी. बीडी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एडी इंटू डीसी. फॉर दैट वी सी दैट एडीबी इज सिमिलर टू बीडीसी. Is it right? If these two triangles are similar, then all the corresponding angles are congruent as well as corresponding sides are in proportion. If we say that the ADB is similar to BDC, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Which corresponding sides? Here, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. अभी हमने प्रूव किया है कि ये दो ट्रायंगल भी सिमिलर है ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल से और अपने आप से. ADB is similar to BDC. Here is also BD is the perpendicular segment from vertex to the hypotenuse. That is the geometric mean of that two parts AD and DC. तो हम यही लेंगे प्रूफ. इस तरह से लेना है. The last step, ADB is similar to BDC. Now ADB is similar to BDC means all the sides are in proportion. Therefore side AD is to BD is equal to DB is to DC. पहले दो वर्टेक्स AD is to BD, next two vertex DB is to DC. Now इसको रीअरेंज करेंगे. AD is to BD is equal to DB को हम लिख सकते हैं BD is to DC. Take the cross multiplication. BD into BD, BD square is equal to AD into DC. That is, BD is the geometric mean of AD and DC. Depending on that two properties, we can solve the practice set 2.1 also. On this basis, there is the Pythagoras theorem. With these two properties, we solve the Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem means in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to the right angle, square of the sides opposite to the right angle is equal to the sum of the square of its remaining sides. Or in a right angle triangle, square of the hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, in right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of remaining sides. Remaining sides means the sides making a right angle. That means in triangle ABC, that is ABC, if BD is the perpendicular, is it right? Here given BD is in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree because that is right angle triangle. Construction are the given segment BD is a perpendicular to hypotenuse AC and A dash D dash C. To prove, what we have to prove? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of its remaining sides. Means hypotenuse का square AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. ये हमें प्रूव करना है. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? प्रूफ सिंपल प्रूफ है. अभी अभी हमने सिमिलरिटी इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल्स देखा है. मीन्स if with perpendicular drawn from vertex to the hypotenuse, then these two triangles are formed are similar to each other and similar to the original triangles. यानी ABC और ADB सिमिलर है. ट्रायंगल BDC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल ABC. ये कैसे सिमिलर है हमने प्रूव किया है. जैसे इसको देखेंगे फर्स्ट, सेम अगेन वही स्टेप्स अगर देखते हैं तो इन ट्रायंगल ADB and triangle ABC, angle A is congruent with angle A because common angle. Angle ADB is congruent with angle ABC, that is the given. A perpendicular drawn given or construction given में देंगे by triangle ADB सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल ABC बिकॉज ये टेस्ट एंगल टेस्ट, ये अभी अभी हमने दो तीन मिनट पहले हमने ये प्रूफ देखे. अब दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, दैट मीन्स ऑल द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स कैसे रहेंगे? प्रोपोर्शन में रहेंगे. इसमें कौन सी है? AD इज टू AB इज इक्वल टू, पहला और तीसरा पॉइंट्स ले लो अभी, AB इज टू AC. पहले दो पॉइंट्स इधर ले लेंगे AD इज टू AB और बाद में फर्स्ट और थर्ड, बिकॉज DB और BC का हमें डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं है. इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करोगे तो AB इंटू AB दैट इज इक्वल टू द AB स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AD इंटू AC और AC इंटू AD, दैट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सिमिलरली अभी अभी प्रूव किए थे BDC इज आल्सो सिमिलर टू ABC. हम सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव दैट ट्रायंगल BDC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल ABC. BDC और ABC कैसे है? सिमिलर है. अगर ये दोनों सिमिलर है तो दोनों के साइड्स कैसे रहेंगे? करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन में ही रहेंगे. मीन्स ऑल द करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. देयरफॉर हियर BD is to AB is equal to DC is to BC is equal to BC is to AC. तीनों के तीनों साइड्स लेंगे. यहाँ पे भी अगर तीनों के तीनों साइड्स लेते तो क्या मिलता? DB is to BC आता. लेकिन हमें ये वाला लेना नहीं है, इसलिए हमने ये लिया नहीं. हियर इसकी जरूरत नहीं है तो हम ये BD और AB वाला पार्ट रेशियो नहीं लेंगे. आउट ऑफ दिस थ्री रेशियो वी कैन टेक एनी टू रेशियोज. एनी टू मीन्स रिक्वायर्ड टू रेशियोज. DC इज टू BC इज इक्वल टू BC इज टू AC. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, BC इंटू BC इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC इंटू DC, दैट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 2. नाउ एड बोथ द इक्वेशन. एडिंग इक्वेशन 1 एंड 2. इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को ऐड करो तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AC इंटू AD प्लस AC इंटू DC. AC इंटू AD प्लस AC इंटू DC. राइट हैंड साइड में AC इंटू AD प्लस AC इंटू DC है तो AC ये पार्ट कॉमन है. कॉमन पार्ट होने से दैट इज द AC इंटू AD plus DC in bracket, that is the AC. Now AD plus DC means the whole segment AC because here is given A dash D dash C. Therefore AC into AD plus DC means AC because A dash D dash C. Now AC into AC is equal to AC square. That means the AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Means square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of its remaining sides. That is the Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras is also the true. If the sum of the one side in a triangle, sum of the one square of the in a triangle, square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, then the triangle is the right angle triangle. To identify, there are some Pythagorean triplets. For example, जैसे 3 Pythagorean triplet is 3, 4, 5. Square of 5 is the sum of the square of 3 and 4. इस तरह से Pythagorean triplets है, and studying that you try to solve the practice set 2.1.